Hey guys, it's Adriel from StyleAssisted, and I thought that I would answer a really quick question that I get like 50 times a week, no exaggeration, and that is what I use on my eyebrows. Now, I have two higher end and then one budget that I rotate religiously, and I honestly just grab the one that's the closest to me. So on the higher end, I use the Hourglass Brow Arch in the shade Auburn, and it is one of the ones that has the angle, and it's actually wider so you can get a lot of good brush strokes out of it. This I use just on the bottom and then fill out through my brow and then basically just brush it through with this end. This end. Super easy, super simple, matches my hair great. On the budget side, this Revlon brow pencil in the shade Auburn is fantastic, and I love it because until recently, drugstores other than NYX didn't really have any light enough or red enough products for me to use regularly without looking weird. So I love this one, and this is a great shade and is actually very comparable to the other one that I have, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Auburn. Now before, if you guys remember, I used the shade Caramel, but they didn't have Auburn back then, and this I found is a truer red to match my specific hair color. Now, everyone has slightly different undertones in their hair, so you can basically use any of the three. I obviously try to start off as light as possible and then blend so that you don't have a super dramatic and dark eyebrow. But like I said, I interchange these every single day and just grab whichever's closest, so I don't really have a specific preference, but you may. So I would definitely say swatch these if you get the chance, and let me swatch these for you right now just so you can see what they look like. Alright, so the three that I swatched, this is the Anastasia Brow Wiz, this is the Hourglass, and this is the Revlon. And I swatched the stink out of them so they're really dark so that you can actually see it on camera, but they come off much lighter than that, and I like that they give good color payout without you having to really scrub in there. But they're all, as you can see, redheaded shades, which did not exist several years ago. So if you guys ever want to know what brow products I use, these are them. So hopefully you find one that works for you, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. For some reason, my account is screwed up to where I actually can't respond to you guys with comments. So head over to this post on my blog, which I will leave a link below, and I can answer questions there. So if for some reason you're asking me a question, I'm not responding, it's because I can't figure out what the deal is with my YouTube account and I can't respond. I used to be able to and I can't now. Don't know what that's about. So go ahead and go down to my blog and ask me a question over there. And if you guys would like to do an Ask Adriel video eventually about either beauty or style stuff, I would be open to that, but let me know if you think that would be a good idea in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Love you guys. See you later. I purchased this before I was a beauty insider, and this is the seventh palette that I purchased because I go through them. Now, this right here, this yellow shade, is what I use to set my under eyes. That's what I use today. And then I actually use this shade right here to contour. I know.